Hey, cello players. This is a quick video to talk about our strings. So our lower string is our C string, and I'm going to have you pluck it 4 times. 1, 2, 4 times. And then next up is our G string. It's higher. It's the one right here. G string. And then next, we're going to move to our D string. It's right here. We're going to play it 4 times. 1, 2, 4 times. And our highest string on the cello is the A string. So it's the one furthest from you. Okay, we're going to play it 4 times. 1, 2, 4 times.